Sissy, support. I need your main channel so I can watch your video later. I try to search your main channel. I cannot find. Try to comment one of my video. Use your main channel. Okay? I didn't give moderate your main channel. Okay, try to put it. I want to see. Maybe I didn't see or I'm just busy. Grr, 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 grr. Sorry for that. I don't remember. Hindi ko pala nakita yun. No comments show in your live. My min. Okay, try your main channel to come here in my live now so I can put moderator. Kabsat overseas, nagtambay ako sa LS last time. Okay. Maricoy, mag-sit up ka na. 6 minutes na lang ako. Grabe yung mga pawis-pawis. Pawis at uwil, ano nang tawag doon? Ito ba yung main channel niya? Teka lang, tingnan ko nga. Ay, hindi. This is your support. Not, tumalsik to yung laway ko. Hindi yung main channel na. Hindi ko siya, ano ba yung main channel niya, Mariko? Hindi ko ma-search. Kasi gusto kong suklian kahapon. Hindi ko talaga ma-search. Iba ang naglabasan na pangalan. Ito yung mga support niya ang lumabas. Okay, I will help to watch your videos, but sad to say I cannot search your main channel. I'm trying since yesterday. I told you try to come here your main channel in my live now before I'm going to end so I can play your videos later. All right, 11 eyes, thank you so much. So 5 minutes more to go, 4 minutes. Kasi I'm not sure kung naka-connect na ba ako sa kanya. Kung naka-subscribe pa. Kaya siguro hindi ko makita-kita sa list. Kaya yung nag-search ako, talagang hindi ko makita. Okay. Sit up ka na, Kulasa Mix Vlog.